Hello, kids! Get ready to learn your ABCs with fun animals and exciting sounds. Let's begin. A is for alligator. Look at that big, toothy grin. Chomp, chomp! Watch out! It's hungry for adventure. B is for butterfly. Flutter, flutter, up so high, dancing with the wind in the bright blue sky. C is for cat. Meow, meow. This curious kitty loves to pounce and play all day. D is for dolphin. Splish, splash. This friendly swimmer loves to leap over the waves. Is for elephant. Stomp, stomp. With big ears and a trunk, it's the king of the jungle. F is for fox. Sneaky and sly with a fluffy red tail, it's quick and clever. G is for giraffe. So tall, so grand, reaching for leaves with its long, long neck. H is for horse. Neigh, neigh! Galloping fast across the fields, it's strong and free. Is for iguana. Sunbathing on a rock, this scaly friend loves to chill in the warm heat. J is for jaguar. Roar! Fast and fierce, this jungle cat moves like a shadow in the night. Is for kangaroo. Pooing, pooing! With a baby in its pouch, it jumps all around Australia. L is for lion. The king of the jungle, with a mighty roar, ruling the land with pride. Is for monkey. Ooh, ooh! Ah, ah. Swinging through the trees, it's the jungle's playful clown. N is for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea with a magical tusk gliding through icy waters. O is for owl. Hoot hoot! Wise and wide-eyed, watching the night from up in the trees. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle! This little tuxedo bird slides on ice and loves to swim. Q is for quail. Tiny and quick, with a funny little plume, it scurries through the bushes. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop! With long ears and a twitchy nose, it loves to nibble on carrots. is for snake. Slithering silently, this sneaky reptile moves with a wiggle and a hiss. T is for tiger. Stripes so bold, eyes so bright. The jungle's powerful hunter moves with might. For urchin. Spiky and round, this little ocean creature hides in the sand. W is for wolf. A woo! Running in a pack, it howls at the moon under the starry sky. X is for X-ray fish. See-through and cool, this little swimmer is like a glowing ghost in the water. I is for yak, fluffy and strong, marching through the mountains with a big shaggy coat. Across the African plains.